Hey people, I'm back. Here I am, about to eat my feelings. I've had shit all day. Went to Wendy's because I've been craving the freaking bacon cheeseburger. A, does this look like a medium frosty? B, does it look chocolate? And C, don't it look like it's been sitting there? It's so watery. Anybody's Wendy's actually get the order right the first time? But he was just going to hand me this, say, have a good day. I said, I'll order food, too, and a Diet Coke. I know, I'm eating all this shit in there. I don't like regular Coke. So I had a crappy day, brought on by my irritation, and, you know, I'm to that age where my hormones are going blah, 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 again. And, whew, the attitude that I get. That, and you know, you're delivering food, okay? If your apartment building is separated into A and B buildings, let a person know. And then you complain if your food gets delivered to the wrong dang building. Twice that's happened. An office building and an apartment building. Come on, people, get your shit together. But, and then a person irritated me. But that's neither here nor there. I never had vanilla. Yeah, that's been sitting there for a good 45 minutes. Famous words of Nicocado Avocado. I'm calling corporate. Said all wrong. Okay, anyway. At least they gave me napkins. They gave me 2 bags. They could have put everything in like 1 bag. Obviously. Yummy, yummy French fries. Oops, make a mess. Fries are, I mean, this one just opened up like a month ago. Those fries are stale. That's because it's not my fucking food. All I wanted was a bacon cheeseburger. What I get is a chicken sandwich with bacon on it. Oh, I'm definitely calling corporate now. I got my little 6-piece McNuggets. Good thing I got this. And that says hamburger, and that better damn well have. Good thing the chicken sandwich is more money than that. It's just ridiculous. I can't. God, this place just opened. You'd think they'd be trying harder. I just wanted the classic bacon cheeseburger. It's not so hard to get. I've been shaking like a leaf half the day. They gave me chicken nuggets. They feel cold. I guess I gotta go to a whole nother county to get exactly what I want. Bacon, junior bacon cheeseburger. That's it. I'm not ordering a meal anymore from there. So they give me a chicken sandwich. What's a bourbon chicken sandwich too? They gave me somebody's whole meal. The fries are cold. The nuggets are warm. The burger's in. I don't even want the chicken sandwich. What is this on it? Bourbon barbecue. I just wanted a bacon cheeseburger. I know I'm being a petty big girl, but God, all I wanted was a bacon cheeseburger. I know I have the junior because I was going to do a taste test. You know, work at Chick-fil-A. I don't exactly want a freaking chicken sandwich. You gotta dip your shit in there and get it all messy. What I'm talking about. This has been sitting there for over an hour. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I checked the bag, but I checked to make sure there was a big sandwich and fries in one. I am so gonna complain. And I'm not one to complain, but like when I said, this isn't a medium, he goes, oh, that's a medium. I can show you the small and you wouldn't believe me. I says, not chocolate. He goes, the chocolate thing ain't working right. They should have told you. I said, but can I have my money back? He said, nah. At least get the goddamn sandwich right. When people say like McDonald's and Popeyes and places like that mess up the orders, I've never had my orders messed up from either one of those. But this is like the third time in the last 4 years that I've gone to Wendy's and they messed up my order. Mind you, in the last 4 years, I've only gone to Wendy's 3 times. Should have went to Burger King. I'm sorry, this video is going to be not nice. It's not hard to read. They teach you that shit in elementary school. You can't follow directions, you need to go work somewhere else. Yep. Fries are cool. And I like Wendy's french fries. I've been in half this mood since like 11:30. Drink too much shit for people. I'm probably not gonna even post this because this is just, look. I'm kidding? I live 5 minutes from the Wendy's. Tastes good though. I don't even, it's so fucking hard. It's not even fresh. I don't know what it is, but I'm done. I'm gonna go to bed. Get up tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's got chicken, American cheese, bacon, and some sort of sauce. It's not the bacon pub chicken sandwich because it's not on a... Unless that doesn't come on a... I thought that came on a pretzel roll. I don't know. There's some I won, but whatever. I'm not eating that. I got the card with my receipt. They're gonna hear about it. I'm tired of playing nice with every fucking body. Alright, y'all. Have a good day.